Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to solve this question. We are given 50 raised to power 50 upon 25 raised to power 25 and we need to find out the value of this thing. So how will we solve this? For this we need to know exponents rules. Okay, I will tell you a rule here that a raised to power m plus n can be written as a raised to power m times a raised to power n, right? So here we have 50 raised to power 50. Can I write it as 25 plus 25 instead of 50? Yes. So this will become 50 raised to power 25 plus 25 divided with 50 raised to power 25 raised to power 25, right? Here. Now a raised to power m plus n can be written as a raised to power m and a raised to power n, right? 25 raised to power 25. Now another rule we need to know is a multiply b raised to power m is equal to a raised to power m multiply b raised to power m. Okay, so 50 is nothing but 25 times 2, right? So 25 times 2 raised to power 25 times 50 raised to power 25 by 25 raised to power 25. Now if we see this term, this is a times b raised to power 25. It will become a times a raised to power 25, b raised to power 25, and this is 50 raised to power 25 and divided with 25 raised to power 25. As we can see that these both terms can be cancelled out. So now we are left with 2 raised to power 25 times 50 raised to power 25. When power is same, you can actually multiply the base, right? Because a raised to power m times b raised to power m is equal to ab raised to power m, right? So we have here 100 raised to power 25. Now what is 100? 100 is 10 square. So 10 square raised to power 25 and a raised to power m raised to power n. The powers can be multiplied. So 10 raised to power 2 times 25 is 50. And this is our answer. I hope you understood this. For more such videos, you can visit my channel. You will find many conceptual videos, short tricks and Maths Olympiad questions. Thank you.